Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Tariq Shahzad. Our today topic is thermoregulation in plant. That how plant regulate their temperature. Plant face two different temperature regulations in low temperature and in high temperature. So we will discuss only two topics in this question. That how plant deal when the outer temperature going to increase and how they deal when the outer temperature going to decrease. So there are two situations to solve this question. For your convenience, you have to make small headings of this question, and these headings will impart a great work that it will cause ease for the examiner to check that the student has write all things related to this question. So thermoregulation in plant face two different situations. Number one in high temperature and number two in low temperature. Mean high temperature of outer environment and low temperature of outer environment. What will be the response of the plant related to these two things? First of all is high temperature. This question may be as a short question that when the outer temperature is high, then what are adaptations of plant to face this situation? This is an also MCQ. So when outer temperature is high, you have to make small headings to attempt this question. It will create ease for the examiner that the student has write all things about this answer. So first heading you will form about side effect, that when the outer temperature increase, what is the side effect? It cause the denaturation of enzyme. Means when outer temperature increase, it cause denaturation of enzyme. When enzyme denature, it means that metabolism damage. When metabolism damage, it cause the death of cell and it cause the death of plant. Once again, effect of high temperature in outer environment. When temperature of outer environment increase, then the temperature of plant body also increase. It cause the denaturation of enzyme. When enzyme denature, it means that metabolism disturbed. When metabolism disturbed, it means that the cell death occurs. When cell death occur, it means that it is the death of a plant. So side effect: enzyme denature, damage metabolism and death in plant. That was the side effects of high temperature. Yeah, what is the effect of high temperature on plant body? And now what is adaptation of plant? Mean what is the strategies of plant regarding this situation? So first heading was about side effect and second heading will be about adaptation. That what are adaptation in plant regarding this? In plant adaptation, there are two different type of adaptation: evaporation and heat shock protein. The two strategies are adopted by plant to accommodate this situation. Number one is evaporation. As you know that evaporation or transpiration will decrease the temperature. Transpiration will produce cooling effect, but transpiration is a limiting phenomena that when the temperature raise high above, then plant cannot keep stomata open. So stomata close, transpiration stops, and then next mechanism will start, that is heat shock protein. So first is evaporation. Evaporation cause cooling, and but at high and dry condition, when the temperature is so hot or day is so hot and condition is dry, then to prevent water loss, plant adopted to close stomata or stomata close and no transpiration. It means that further effect of transpiration will be stopped and the next phenomena will start. Next is heat shock protein. Heat shock protein is a special type of protein that when this protein embrace with enzymes or attach with the enzyme, then enzyme can perform their function well even at high temperature, or it prevent enzyme from denaturation. When enzyme denaturation stop, mean enzyme perform their function well or with small efficiency, but they keep on performing function. When they keep on performing function, it means that there is no stoppage or there is no stop or there is no hindrance in metabolism. Metabolism will also keep on, so there is no death of plant. Means enzymes not denature, normal metabolism keeps on, and plant cells survive even in high temperature. So heat shock protein, plant facing 40 Celsius or above temperature synthesize heat shock protein. This protein embrace mean attached with enzyme that prevent denaturation from enzyme. When enzyme not denature, normal metabolism will keeps on and plants survive even in high temperature. That was all about high temperature. What is it affects, what are adaptation of plant regarding this one. So that was all about high temperature, and you have to form these small headings. Number two, what is the response of plant in high temperature? This one is also an other short question. So high temperature, what is the effect of high temperature? High temperature effect on two different component of cell. Number one on cell membrane and number two on protoplasm. So these two are headings: low temperature effect on cell membrane and on protoplasm. On cell membrane, it affect fluidity of cell membrane, and number two membrane protein. Means there are two type of effect on cell membrane of low temperature. Number one, fluidity of cell membrane, and number two, membrane protein. Fluidity means traffic of molecules across the cell membrane, that how the molecule cross the cell membrane to out of the cell, and how out of the cell material came across protoplasm through plasma membrane. This traffic of molecule is known as fluidity of membrane. And number two, membrane protein, we know that it forms the structural component of plasma membrane. So next one is on cell membrane, low temperature cause the crystal formation. These crystal formation affect the lipid membranes, mean lipid portion of membrane will be locked and transport of solute affected. Transport of solute mean fluidity of cell is affected, and these crystals also structure of membrane protein affected, means these crystals also affect the structure of protein membrane. These was the effect of low temperature on the plasma membrane. And number two, what is adaptation of plant to prevent the cell membrane from this effect? And adaptation is that plant increase the proportion of unsaturated fatty acid. You know that unsaturated fatty acid even at low temperature cannot change into crystal formation, cannot solidify. It means that when they increase the proportion of unsaturated fatty acid, then even at low temperature no crystal formation, and when no crystal formation, then plant can survive even at low temperature. So unsaturated fatty acid proportion, they increase and it prevent crystal formation, and this crystal formation require time. It means that this crystal to prevent crystal formation and increasing the proportion of unsaturated fatty acid, it is a gradual process, and if the plant temperature down suddenly, it will cause the damaging effect for plant. And next two is on protoplasm, that what is the effect of low temperature on protoplasm? It causes ice crystal formation. And now there are two options for ice crystal formation. If ice crystal confinement limited to cell wall, then it not affect badly. Mean if ice crystal form and they remain only limited to cell wall, then they not affect badly. Cell wall not affect badly. If crystals in protoplasm, then if ice crystals are in cell wall, then they affect not badly. But if crystals are in protoplasm, they can perforate means they can pore formation in organelles and membrane, then they cause the death of the cell, and hence the death of cell or death of plant. Then what are adaptation? On protoplasm affect, then what is adaptation? On cell membrane affect, and what is adaptation? On protoplasm affect, and what is adaptation? Plant like oaks, maple and roses. Oaks, maple and roses change solute concentration. You have already studied in your grade 11 that whenever add impurities in any solution or increase solute concentration into any solution, then it will cause depletion in freezing point, or freezing point will be lowered. So in this case, plant change the solute composition, and whenever temperature low or slows down, then it does not cause the crystal formation. Why? The solution becomes super cool but not change into crystal, so plant can survive in low temperature. So change solute composition, and cytosol super cool. Cytomel soluble part of cytoplasm becomes super cool but no crystal formation, and hence no crystals, and plant can survive in low temperature. That was all about this topic. And keep in mind, you have to make small headings to express your question, express your answer. Well, I hope you will understand by this lecture, and subscribe this channel, watch this video, like, and also comment, share with your friends. Allah Hafiz.